How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today we're going to talk about this, my new favorite wallpaper. Take a look at this. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a dynamic weather wallpaper. So this wallpaper right here is live. It represents in real time how your sky, how your weather looks like in your region, exactly where you are in the world right now. So I'm looking at my window right here and I'm seeing exactly this sun setting and this beautiful gradient of colors right here with a dark sky and of course going all the way to this yellowish color, which is of course the sun setting. The best thing about this wallpaper is it's native and completely free. It's amazing. So on top of showing you how to enable this on your iPhone right now, I'm also going to show you other weather conditions and other skies, so how it will look like in the beginning of the day, at night, clear skies, snowy conditions, rainy conditions. It's so cool how it looks like. And of course, I'm going to talk about battery as well, because a lot of people are going to think, is this a battery drainer? It's live, right? So let's talk about all that. Let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've just removed my weather wallpaper and went back to the stock iPhone 16 Pro Max so I can show you from the top. So all you have to do really is open up your settings and then scroll down just a bit until you get here to wallpaper, as you can see. And then right here, you're gonna slide to the right until you get to new and then add a new wallpaper. Maybe you will already see it right here, as you can see on mine, featured weather. That's it in the collection. But if you don't see it, just scroll down a bit and you will see it under weather and astronomy. You'll see right here. And the coolest thing about this is you don't even need to be running iOS 18 or 17. The weather wallpaper, this weather theme, is actually available all the way back in iOS 16. So it's really compatible with pretty much every iPhone around. So go ahead and tap on it, as you can see, and then instantly it'll go ahead and update with your current weather condition, with your current sky. As you can see, sun setting, as I just mentioned. Of course, right here you can go ahead and edit, so you can choose here your widgets. So by default, everything is going to be weather related, but you don't need to have it like that. You can tap on it, for example, and adjust it. So if you don't want your speed, or if you don't want your UV index and your conditions, you can remove everything and then just get everything that you want. Like for example, your fitness, you can get, for example, your next meeting, and maybe something else like, let's say, your alarm or anything else, as you can see right here. You can close that. And again, right here at the top, you can choose that too. You can choose your font as well. If you want to get a cleaner font, it's all up to you, of course. And of course, down here, we have here the two new possibilities, new customization possibilities with iOS 18. So this is iOS 18 exclusive, which is the possibility to change the stock widgets right here in the bottom with new ones. So we don't need to use flashlight and camera anymore. You can remove it and, for example, tap on it once again and add your dark mode or whatever. It's up to you. Okay, so now that you have it all set up, you can tap on add and then of course set as wallpaper pair, so then you're gonna have it in your lock screen and also in your home screen, just like you saw on my example, so as a pair. And then it's just a matter of waiting a little bit, and then as you can see, it's good, it's updated. Now let me quickly show you how your wallpaper will look like in different scenarios, in different weather conditions and skies. So if I open up my weather app, as you can probably tell, your weather wallpaper will mimic exactly like your weather application. So if I go ahead here and tap on my location, naturally what I'm seeing as my wallpaper is this, exactly this. But if I go to other cities, so let's imagine it's nighttime, that's how your wallpaper will look like this. So very dark. If it's clear, it'll look like this with stars. So cool. If your weather condition is isolated thunderstorms, take a look at this. You will see this in your lock screen and home screen as your wallpaper. Of course, we're gonna talk about battery drain in a second. And of course, other conditions. So cloudy, as you can see, we have some clouds here, and of course here, other clouds clouds in other sunset scenarios, and even more like snowy, kind of foggy. Take a look at this. It looks pretty cool, like in this city in Russia. So now, of course, we have to talk about what we're all thinking. What about my battery? Because if this is going to be constantly updating, changing, live, it's going to drain my battery so much, right? And the thing is, not really, guys. So if we open up the settings once again and come back here and scroll a little bit until we get to privacy and security, and then go to location services, and then scroll down just a bit, a little bit more than a bit. As you can see, we have here weather. And the thing is, your weather wallpaper will be using the location services that were already in use on your iPhone, so while using the app or widgets. So it's gonna be getting your location with the same frequency as often as is already did. So you don't have to worry about it like requesting your location all the time, because nothing will change here. You don't have to change nothing here in your iPhone settings. It's the exact same thing. And regarding the fact that's updating constantly, and the fact that some weather conditions will have like a thunderbolt, as you saw, or maybe if it's raining, you'll see raindrops, you don't have to worry about that either, because your wallpaper won't be a video. It won't be playing this video in the background all the time. No. Even if it's raining or with a thunderbolt and so on, as you saw before, it won't be playing the video in the back while you are like using your phone. No. It's gonna be a static image. It won't be changing. It's gonna be static, just like you're seeing here. The only time this is gonna be updated, this will change, is when you actually go ahead, lock your phone, and then if the weather condition changes, it's gonna change here in the background. So then when you tap on it, then it's gonna be changed and different. It's not gonna be constantly changing every second in the background or playing a video of rain dropping and snow falling. No. It's not gonna be like that. It's gonna be static, just like you're seeing here, with a representation of an image in the background, not a video. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's my new favorite wallpaper on the iPhone, the weather wallpaper. I've been using it for a little bit over a month now, and I just can't change it with another one. I love it. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video as usual, guys. Bye bye.